Level 0 is the highest abstraction level in data flow diagram, which depicts the entire information system as one diagram concealing all the underlying details. Level 0 data flow diagrams are also known as context-level data flow diagrams. The level 1 data flow diagram is like the level 0 data flow diagram when it's broken down into more specific details. The level 1 data flow diagram depicts basic modules in the system and flow of data among various modules. The level 1 data flow diagram also mentions basic processes and sources of information. At level 2, the data flow diagram shows how data flows inside the modules mentioned in level 1. Higher-level data flow diagrams can be transformed into more specific lower-level data flow diagrams with deeper level of understanding, unless the desired level of specification is achieved. Structure chart is a chart derived from data flow diagram. It represents the system in more detail than the data flow diagram. It breaks down the entire system into lowest functional modules, describe functions and sub-functions of each module of the system to a greater detail than DFD. Structure chart represents hierarchical structure of modules. At each layer, a specific task is performed. Here are the symbols used in construction of structure charts. Module represents process, subroutines, or tasks. A control module branches to more than one submodule. Library modules are usable and invocable from any module. Conditions is represented by small diamond at the base of module. It depicts that control module can select any of subroutine based on some condition. Jump is shown as an arrow pointing inside the module to depict that the control will jump in the middle of the submodule. Loop is represented by a curved arrow in the module. All submodules covered by loop repeat execution of modules. Data flow is represented by a directed arrow with empty circle at the end. A control flow is represented by a directed arrow with filled circle at the end.
Created using Powtoon.